You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of the country called the Netherlands in Dutch, or the Netherlands. In Dutch, the Netherlands is said as Nederlands. Nederlands. Nederlands is how they say it, so it's very similar. Nederlands. It's easy, and now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. See you there. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.